Hi, my name is Alvin.
And I'm Chen Xing, and we are a team that brought to you Ars Goetia.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy the making of the video.
Hi, I shall describe to you how we achieve the effect of the bullet zooming past the camera. So firstly, we try to extract the motion path from Mesh Mover, and this clip actually shows all the markers that used to extract the motion path. As you can see that we have a lot of markers, and this actually allows us to extract a very smooth motion path of the camera. So after this, we extract the motion path into Maya, and you can see that the camera actually moves with the time. So the next thing we do is try to model bullet, and we texture map it to give it a very realistic bullet feel. So after this, we animate the bullet flying past in the linear line, but we realize that actually the bullet exits towards the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and this doesn't really give a very good effect. So what we try to remedy is we actually create this curved motion path which the bullet will take, and this will actually allows the bullet to exit right in the center of the screen, which actually is a much better looking effect. So after this, we try to replicate the actual lighting environment by setting up the lights according to the library, and then we set a blue screen on top behind it. This is because you can see that there's a hole in the center of bullet because we use a black screen instead. So if we have a blue screen, you can see that there's a very good contrast, as it's easier to do color keying later on. Okay, the next step is to composite the bullet on top of the video clip. So this is done by putting it on top of the layer of it. You can see that there's a blue screen behind it. So what we did is to use a color key advantage to do the keying out. So the next thing that we do, we add a smoke here, as bullet pass. So and the last thing that we add is a blur effect, where we actually duplicate the layer of the video and we apply a fast blur effect on it. And as the bullet fly past, we will do a masking according to the position of the bullet. And this is how we achieve the whole effect in a very simple way.
Okay, so now I'll show you how we did the effect whereby the actress running through bookshelf. So firstly, we need two clips. And you can see we measured the distance along the bookshelves and the distance away from the camera. So we do a panning. And the other one, we apply the same distance for the bookshelf and the camera, and we did it as filming with the blue cloth and actress running across. So these are the two clips that we did. Okay, so using the two clips, we will now use After Effects to edit the effects. Okay, so using Ultimate Advantage, we will first sample the blue background, after which we will slowly add overlay and remove overlay to make this purple area shaded. Then we'll touch up the matte and remove the shadow, the grey areas. And finally, we have the composition of the foreground and the background. So now we need to do key by key framing of the masking. So as you can see, I've used 9 masking and do a frame by frame animation. And so after the animation, with the masking, you will get the effects of the actress running through the bookshelf.